Welcome back to Home on the Hitch, guys. We're somewhere we haven't been in a while. That's Three-Way Campers, where it all started for us. But we're all excited today because we're going to do something we haven't, and that's we're going to be looking at this Brinkley. We have yet to be able to check out one of these, but we're going to do it today. This is a Model Z 3100. All right, so everybody hears that Brinkley is like the hot new thing, so we're going to take a look, and from all the videos we've seen, it's pretty awesome. But
so we'll give you a walkthrough and give you our opinion about what we think about.
Let's go. All right, so you want to start on the outside, I guess?
Yeah, okay.
Looks like you got a huge pass through there.
I like the lighting.
Yeah, there's a lot of accent lighting. I've got ducted heat and air there. That's Hank way over there in the red shirt. And about, I don't know, 8-9 years ago, he sold us our
very first RV. The Avenger.
The Avenger. So, yeah, looks like you got some tools here. Travel mode disconnect. It's got a nice coating. I like that they put up a wall, at least, to kind of hide some of this stuff.
But it's also still accessible.
Yeah, you can move it back and forth, so that's kind of nice. Magnetic catches on the doors. Pretty thick insulated doors too. Slam latches.
Right, you have two 30-pound tanks.
I guess one on this side, maybe one on the other.
One on the other side. You have your front storage bay here that has...
I guess there is some solar up on the roof because you got a 60 amp MPPT charge controller from Furrion. Here's where all your hydraulics are, generator, accessory wiring, all that kind of stuff. It's prepped for inverter. They've done a lot of work for you already up here up front, so that's pretty nice. All around the other side.
Over here you have your other 30-pound tank.
Right there.
Yep. Look at how cool this is. There's lights in the slide so that you can see what you're doing outside.
That's pretty awesome. I've never seen that before, but it's pretty cool. Let's see what we got here. For numbers, gross vehicle weight rating, 14,995 pounds.
All right, so yeah, you got a big door. This is the other side of the pass-through storage. Your auto leveling controls.
Auto leveling controls.
And your wet bay.
Oh, has that got a, is that your, I guess your drinking water hose?
Well, this says potable water only.
Yeah, okay, cool.
It's on a reel, that's really nice.
I don't know how long it is, we'll have to look into that. Got another shower on this side. Your Nautilus systems over here. Satellite and cable. That's pre-wired for satellite TV. That's all in there. This kind of a weird door design though, where that flips up.
Yeah, I'm not a real big fan of this because
you got to close that.
It's like a jigsaw puzzle, and if you don't do it the right way, you could
bend something or scratch it or something.
In a bad way, because this door has to be open.
I mean, you can't open this one
completely.
Yeah. Before
you can open this one, because otherwise these corners. So don't get in a hurry trying to get something out.
Looks like it's got a Furrion tankless water heater. And there's the back of the furnace. Big rack and pinion slide here. What are they doing on tires? Looks like Coopers. Yeah, those are Coopers. I can't see what they are rated, but so the lines on the Brinkley are just really clean. I like the square windows.
The frameless windows.
The frameless square windows. And the way they look inside it is pretty sweet too. Got a backup camera already up there with a ladder. Oh, I didn't even see the storage.
Oh yeah, I like the way that they incorporated the decals in with the windows, so it all blends together.
Yeah.
So there's nothing that's like sticking out.
That's nice. I didn't even notice this. Small underneath storage area.
That's nice. You could maybe put your e-bikes in there.
It's got a small little hitch there with a 4-pin connector. Speaking of e-bikes, we need some e-bikes. So if you got recommendations for what you like as far as a very portable option for e-bikes, that's what we're looking for. But make sure you hit thumbs up and subscribe. All right, coming around the passenger side, you're gonna have an awning on this big slide out.
That's nice.
Which is a rack and pinion as well. Then you've got another power awning across the front side of the camper. MoRide
Fold down steps with the safety rail.
Yeah, with the MoRide safety rail. Again, it's the 3100 Model Z.
I do like this door. We have a big window.
Yeah. It's like it already comes with an RV lock installed. Why wouldn't you do that as a manufacturer? You should. Right. This is warranted for full-time living, so that's really nice. Let's step inside.
Also has a blind built into the door.
Let's get in here, close the door so it's not so noisy. Ooh, look at that.
All right, so in case you're wondering, what does this beauty cost?
Well, here at Three-Way Campers, the discounted price, $88,900.
Not too bad.
Not too bad, but it's pricey. It's very pricey. So what you got over there?
Okay, but you know, attention to the details here. You have a solid countertop. You have all of this lovely fashionable gold hardware,
yeah, I do like
throughout the camper. You have this beautiful Furrion stove that has a cast iron grate on the top. So this is very residential, high end. A large oven that you could bake cookies or actually a chicken in.
Chicken?
Yeah.
That's a full-size residential microwave.
It is. It is. And it's not convection.
No.
Oh, it is convection.
Is it?
Yeah.
Well, yep, convecting.
No,
turn it off.
That's the fan.
Oh, turn it off. That's the fan.
It is not convection.
Not convection.
Take her back. Has lots of cabinetry and storage space, a side-by-side fridge.
Beautiful. I don't know what that is.
This is the refrigerator. This is the freezer.
Very nice. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, that's a 12-volt compressor fridge. I'm pretty sure that it is. I might be mistaken, but I am almost certain that is a 12-volt compressor fridge.
I would agree with you because it does not have an ice maker.
Yeah.
So it does have a large pantry and an outlet inside and adjustable shelves.
All the shelves, I was going to say, the shelves are adjustable.
Right, and they have a little lip on them. So this would be a great place to put your coffee maker and not have to move it. So lots of space to store things. I love the furniture that's in here. This is great. Yeah. It has leather-like.
Leatherette.
Yeah. This is completely changeable.
Yeah.
It has a little hole in here so you can keep a desk where you can have your electronics set up and just be working. Or if you have guests or want to have a dinner here, you can move your chairs around. And this pulls all the way out.
That's really cool.
It's like this magic table.
It just keeps going. I'm kind of confused as to why the
Well, and you can move this table from this side to this side.
Yeah, I think it just slides underneath there.
And this goes.
And it looks like underneath there,
completely on the slide.
The very bottom, there's a wine. Is there a wine?
Yeah, you can put some wine bottles down there, and then it has this.
See under there, wine bottles.
Then there's a cutlery tray here in the end of the table.
That's kind of odd.
I don't really know that I like that. I would probably take. Oh, well, you can take this out and just have a drawer. This pops out.
You could probably put it somewhere else.
Yeah. I like the simplicity of the light fixtures in here. That's very nice. And, you know, another feature that I absolutely love, there's no curtains or valances in here.
Yeah.
All of the windows are framed in.
Well, check the shades out.
And then they have built-in shades, so there's nothing flopping around.
I think there's night and
if
day
you're not
shades.
level. Yeah. So you have night shades.
I think, yeah.
Yeah.
There you go. There you go.
And then you have day shades.
Perfect. I do like them. And I like the way the windows are squared off.
Yes, and then you can open the windows with the little handle here, and you still have the screen.
Yep.
And you get plenty of air in.
Nice.
And the nice thing about these shades is you're going to get air with these shades also. So.
I wonder, does the little white doodad come with the camper?
It must. It must be like that little throw blanket that's make it fashionable. I thought this was hilarious.
Velcro pillows.
So, you know, you travel and your pillows wind up on the other side of the camper. Well, they have a solution for that. They Velcro strap to the And this is a nice feature that you don't see very often, and that's fabric couches.
Yeah.
I love that. And then you have this ottoman where that raises up, so you have storage.
Yeah, you kind of have to pull both sides at the same time.
There's handles.
Yeah, it's tough to. There you go.
So you can sit and work or eat, and then you can hide all your stuff. But I can't close it. Oh,
there you go.
There we go. And there's extra storage here in the ends. This is
what
really
are you
cool.
talking about?
I know, right?
Got it built in between the chairs here. You've got a wireless charging. Ba-doom. Check that out. That's kind of nice.
So it's nice. You have power chairs.
Yeah.
Well, you have heated chairs
heat massage.
with a USB in there, and then you have the pull handle for the
that's
recliner.
Nice. Is that a televator TV?
It is a televator
TV.
And there is a window behind here.
No. Oh, there it goes. It's televating.
And you know, this is good use of the storage behind the fireplace.
Yeah. It makes a nice noise too.
It's beautiful. I could listen to that all day.
Yeah. That's
Look
really
at that.
groovy though. I like that though.
I like these little shelves that they put above the.
Oh, sorry. Watch out there.
It's abuse, spousal abuse.
Oh, what's that? Is that more televator controls?
No.
What is it? I just activated the warp drive. I don't know what.
It is. It says DB drive mode, D8 drive mode.
We got to get out of here since take off.
Oh, I just turned it on.
Well, turn it off. We don't know what that is.
I
Very
turned
good.
it off. I don't know.
NO Flame, we got a very large, very fine, very large fireplace.
I love when you can see around your camper.
Yeah.
You know, when you can stand in one spot and you can see what's going on the front and back sides of the camper. This is just crazy, the amount of drawer space and storage.
Yeah.
You have this unit has the
Double trouble.
trash can. This is another drawer where you can. Where do you put your paper towels?
Right
Does
there.
everybody have a problem with
Well, that's
paper
right.
towels?
Yeah, that's where
But
you
this
put
is
them.
a great solution.
I mean, at least they're thinking about things.
They
I mean,
are. They
everything's
really
not
are.
perfect, but they're thinking about
And
things.
these are things that you have to move on travel days that
Right.
really become a problem.
And the kitchen side slide is a flush floor slide.
Yes, I'm standing on the slide.
So
Look
it's
at
not
this.
it's not a toe knocker.
No, I love that. And both sides,
Yeah.
both the opposing
And
slides
they are
are
very
flush.
So that's very sweet, very nice.
Some units come with a dog bowl. This one does not.
Yeah, I don't see it here,
They have
but
the little
I think
kick.
maybe it's an option you can get.
Oh, no, here we go.
Well, ta-da!
You had to look for the little paw print.
You gotta
there.
look for the little paw. Check that out. How about
Look at
that?
that.
Ta-da!
Yep, see?
Honey's all set.
I know, great, because you know, that's another thing I have to pick up on travel days, but I can just.
Oh, it's lighted, and
Handrail. That's
Yep.
a great addition.
that's a good thing.
I like the bathroom. It's a little compact though.
Yeah.
It has a pocket door that latches. It has some hooks in here for your towels and a little bit of storage space. They were smart enough. They put the vent in here behind the toilet.
Well, that's cool.
Yeah, that's a
Oh, yeah,
lifesaver,
it is way
especially
right
all
there.
you wives who clean the bathroom. You know.
So you got a toilet paper dispenser holder thing there. Got some hooks behind there.
Mm-hmm.
Nice shower tower
Yeah.
of power.
It has a
Oh, that's a little odd. No, that's the water. I thought that was the thermostat for a minute. That's the water.
Yeah, that would be hard for the thermostat.
That is the water heater controls.
But it has a little
A shower.
skylight in there, so you have plenty of headroom.
It is a little baby sink. Little baby sink though. That is a very small
And you have an
sink.
actual medicine cabinet,
That's
like an
unique.
old school medicine cabinet there.
Lots of drawers. Drawer space.
Some countertop space
Yeah,
with
there's
some more
plenty
drawers.
of room in the shower for big guys like me. Solid doors I like.
Okay, so the bedroom, I do love the east-west bed. You know, we're a big fan of that.
Right.
One, because you're more likely to be able to have a king-size bed, but two, you have a little more area to walk around. And if you're tall like Thomas, it gives you the space that you need to sleep comfortably.
And I don't feel that typically one of the reasons we don't have a fifth wheel is I've always felt kind of cramped.
In the bedroom
ceiling.
area.
You know, like, yeah, it's always been like right here, but I've got a good, 10 inches of space between my head and the ceiling, so that's not so bad. I don't feel so cramped up here.
Yeah, they have little storage space in the wall there. That's nice. I really do love these shelves over the windows. That's a nice touch. Yeah. USB ports at the top.
In the corner, yeah.
Yeah, that's nice with the adjustable light fixtures. I like the little stylus touch that they put on the mirror here.
It's got a shoe nook in the back there.
Look, a hanging bar.
Oh my God.
Look at that. Cordless vacuum prep. Outlet in the
That is kind
closet.
of cool.
I like the little shoe pockets.
What does this do? Oh, turns that off.
Turns the light on.
Turns the light off. How about that? It's a negative light switch.
Right, so here you have some more hanging space, or you have the washer dryer connection. I like the automatic lights. That's pretty groovy.
That is sweet. Yes, it's already done. I guess they've already got the dryer vent done, so you don't have to worry about drilling a hole in the side.
You don't have that scary moment of drilling the hole.
Plenty of space here for everybody with their goods and their doodads. Oh, there's the ever secret hidden storage that's not hidden. And this one comes with a TV already put in the bedroom, so it's nice.
And then these shades.
It's a very large escape window that you could actually probably escape out of if you needed to.
Right. I could roll out of that.
Roll out.
My problem is up and out. I can fall out of just about anything.
Very nice. There's got to be storage underneath the bed. Oh, I think, what is that?
Oh, this is a really cool feature. So at night when you get up and you don't stumble around, it has motion lighting.
So you can see down there
under
it's like if you run your feet or legs across that, it will turn on the little under bed light so you can see the floor.
Yeah, and so you're not disturbing everybody else.
It's amazing.
Yep. Oh, and that's a nice big storage space under the bed.
Oh, look, there's a plug down there. And a plug speaker down there.
Well, that's great.
That's cool. Down you go. Probably would still be changing the mattress out, but that's a bigger mattress than.
It's a bamboo mattress.
Bamboo mattress. I don't know. It looks nice. I like the colors.
Okay.
So what do you think?
So overall, I really like it. They put a lot of attention to detail in here. It sounds like they really listen to the customers and the customers' wives who are interested in what they're interested in. So
yeah, I think they're
seems to be very
really
well
nice,
made.
and I like the decor. I don't know if that's pricey or not. What do you guys think? It's I don't know what the MSRP is, like 106-ish.
Yeah.
They're asking $88,900. $88,900 is pretty expensive, but then again, maybe it's not for something that's as nice as it is, but who knows? I do like them. They thought of a lot of things that a lot of people don't think of.
And this is a 2024.
Yes. I don't know everything about it, but there is a QR code that you can scan, and I guess it's got a 5G gateway antenna possibly already on the roof to get some 5G internet. But anyway, so that's going to do it for us guys here at Three-Way Campers and our first look at this Brinkley Z 3100. And overall, it's pretty nice. I like the amenities and the appointments.
Yeah, it's definitely mail approved.
Yeah, mail approved. So anyway, guys, thanks for sticking around. Give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time. Until then, take care of each other.
Love each other.
Make every moment count. We'll see you next time, guys.